Have you heard of the Northwood Lake Prince? He's said to roam around the ruins of the high school. You know, that one. Kind of the resident boogeyman of this little town. Story goes that when the school burned down, one of the kids that disappeared in the fire really turned into a monster. What he looks like changes in every telling of the myth. Nobody really knows the truth anymore. Kinda messed up if you ask me. Imagine being that kid's mom. Legend has it that if you set foot on the school grounds at night, he'll make you disappear, just like those kids did that fateful night. Just vanish, like a ghost. Did you hear about the body they found on 34th